toppers. A round of applause, please.
To our distinguished guests, Jose Lorenzo B. Kindica, to our school administrators, Reverend Father Leonardo O. Quezada Jr., DCT, and Mrs. Adelina S. Ortia, LPT. Our district supervisor, Dr. Jeanette Quinto, our SGOD chief, Dr. Carlos Tianchao Correos, our alumni president, Dr. Evan Hobson. Dear parents, teachers and staffs, fellow graduates, good afternoon. Welcome to the commencement exercises of St. Michael School of Madrid Incorporated for school year 2025 to 2026. It is an absolute honor and pleasure to welcome everyone to our graduation ceremony. Today, we're not just ending a chapter. We are celebrating the end of a 6-year journey filled with lessons, laughter, and lasting friendships. Looking back, we remember the challenges we faced the early mornings, difficult assignments, and all the hurdles that made us stronger and more resilient. We are so grateful to our parents and guardians for their unconditional love and endless support. They gave us the strength to stand tall today. To our teachers, thank you for guiding us, encouraging our curiosity, and believing in us. You have prepared us to move forward with confidence. To my fellow graduates, we did it! We are ready to take on the new challenges of high school. Let us look back with fond memories and forward with bright hope. Thank you all for being here to witness this special milestone. Once again, welcome and good afternoon.
Thank you, Marcy, for setting such a tone for